to this YouTube channel Easy Engineering. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's class, we are continuing the Infosys placement preparation playlist. Okay, so we have completed we have completed reasoning ability. We have completed like technical ability test also preparation, and we have completed verbal ability and pseudocode. So is also completed. If you didn't watch any of the section till now, so you can just go to the channel or just go to direct playlists tab. So in that I have just created a playlist named Infosys, so there you can find out everything in order. Okay, see, starting with reasoning ability to pseudocode. In today's class we are going to discuss numerical puzzle, so this was also added to that playlist. You can just watch all the sessions there. Okay, so in the next session we will be completing this English writing test. Okay, I hope you understood now. So now yeah let's go to the numerical puzzle test. So where you are having puzzles, so you need to find out what is the missing element here. Okay, missing element or missing number here. So here we are given a table with some numbers in it. So you need to find out what is that, means what is present there, like what is missing in this. So okay, so how you will be doing that. So firstly, let's see, we are having 68 here, um, and 75 here and 13 here. Do you have any like anything, any relation between these three? See, if you see this, 8 minus 5 will give you 3, right? So let me try the subtraction. 68 minus 75, what will give you? It will give you minus 13, right? Because this is higher and this is lower. Not minus 13, you will be getting some other, like you will be getting 7, minus 7. So how you will be doing this one? You need to try this. Okay, just pause the video and try sometime, like try something. Okay, first let's try something like subtraction. So when you subtract both of these numbers, so the difference will be 7, right? Or you'll be getting minus 7, but it is 13 here, so that is not a possibility. And when you subtract these both, you are getting 29, but this is question mark here, so let's put it afterwards. Let's see this afterwards. So when you go to this third row, you are having 76 minus 47. This will also give you some 29, but it is 14. It is not same. Okay, so this is not the pattern which will be following. So you need to see another possibility, like another um yes, you need to check other pattern for this. And let me try, see, by adding or not, by like subtracting the difference between its digits. So 8 minus 6 will give you some 2, and 75 also. 7 minus 5 will give you 2 only. So when you do anything between these both twos, you will not get 13, right? So this is also not a correct one. And next, let me try like uh, yes, so let me try something like when you divide, when you add both of them, means 68 plus 75. This is somewhat complex, so you need to look at here. 68 plus 75 will give you 143, right? It's 8 plus 5 will give you 13, and 7 plus 7 will give you 14. Yes, and divide by something, some x should give you 13. Let's see what that x is. So to find out x, so I'm just thinking of some patterns, and we are doing that. Means we are substituting these values. Then if you get the correct answer, then this that pattern is true. If not, we can go on to the other pattern. So 143 divided by 13, you'll be getting 11, right? Is it true? Let me just check whether it is true or not. 143 divided by 11. Yes, it is 13. Sorry, it is 11. So x will be 11. So here 143 divided by, so no, I'm just taking somewhat some space and I'm writing something. Let me change the color to black. Yeah, it is okay. No, not black. Let me change this color to green. Okay. Yes. Now adding of two numbers like n1, that is number 1, and n2, that is number 2, which are in the braces, and divided by 11 will give you the answer. Okay, so let's see this. Yeah, let's see this now. 76 plus, let's see for third one also. 76 plus 47, what it will be giving you? 7 plus 6 will give you 13. So 3 here and 1. So 8 plus 4 will give you 123, right? So 123 divided by 11, what it will give you? It will give you some 11, yes, some 11 point something, some 11.1, like that. Yes, but it is not true. See, here it is 14, but here it is 11.1. The answer is. So this is also not true. And let's see another one. So this is not true, right? So let me decrease the size because it is not at all true. Let me put it here. Okay. Okay, or else let me put it here because these are the possibilities, right? You can just see them. Okay, see them and get it. So after trying, and let's see something like this. Let me add all the digits of these numbers. So when you are adding this, we'll be getting, oh, let me increase the size because you will be able to see this easily. So the first number is 68, where 6 plus 8 gives you mm, um, some 14, right? And next number is 7 plus 5, 75, which is 7 plus 5 will give you 12. So 12 and 14, what is the number missing here? 12 means consecutive numbers. So the final value is 13 here. 12 is present, 13 is missing. And after that, okay, yes, after that 13 is missing. After that 14 is present again. So I'm thinking this is true. So let's check it. So next one we are having 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5? 13. And next we are having 5 plus 6. Means see, I'm just adding the digits of the number and um getting the sum of them. Getting the sum of all the digits. So after that you are finding the next one. Okay. That is some consecutive number of those. Okay. So 6 plus 5 will give you 11. So 11 and 13, it should be probably 12. Okay, 11, we are having 11, we do not have 12, and we have 13 again. So let's put it like that. So 7 plus 6 we are having again. So what is 7 plus 6? We will be getting some 13, right? 7 plus 6 is 13. And next 4 plus 7 we are having. 4 plus 7, it is 11. So but here we are having 14. X is some 14. But how this is possible? So this is also not true. So I think there is a mistake in this question because anything is not correct. So let me just change this one to 8. Right? While changing this to 8, you are directly getting this. Right? Yes. When this is 8 here, here you are getting 12. So 12, 13 and 14. Right? So finally, the final answer will be 12. Okay? Oh, yes. So this is a correct one. So let me increase the size again. Not this much. Yeah, okay, now let it be here. Because it is a correct answer, this is a possibility. Just a possibility to look after, okay? So just there is a mistake here because if we put 47 here, it will not give you the correct answer. So if it is 48 here, so it will give you the correct one. Final answer is 12 here. Okay, 12 is a correct answer, right? Let's go to the next question. We are having the question number 2 as the same box where you are having 2, 12 and 16, 5, 25 and 50 and 7, 51 question mark, right? So when you see this, yes, when you look after this, we are having when you see like 12 and what is the relationship between 2 and 12? It is like uh, multiplied by 6. 2 when multiplied by 6 will give you 12. And let's see the other possibility, like when there is a possibility with these two, will it give you this one? Let's see. So 12 into 2, what will give you? It will give you like 12 into 2, it will give you some 24, but it is more than this, right? So let's try 2 into 2, like 2 plus 12. Let's try 2 plus 12, which will give you 14. So by adding 2, you will be getting 16, right? So if this is true, let's try the next row. Okay. So 5 plus 25 will give you 30. So when adding that 5 again, will give you 35, but it is wrong. Okay. So this is not the correct one. So this is just a possibility. I'm putting this here. So right side. So you can just put that in your mind so that you will be using it for another other questions. Okay. So other type. While adding 5 to here, you will be getting 16. So by adding what? Like you're having some 30, right? So without 30, by adding 25, you will be getting 50. So for that, you need to see some 2 power, oh, 2 power 2 plus 12. What will give you? It will give you 4 plus 12, which is 16. It is true, right? And next, we are trying 5 power 5 plus 25. It will give you 25 plus 25, which is 50, right? So this is true. That means squaring by itself and then adding the next number will give you the correct answer. So what is that? Here 7 power 7 plus 51. Not it is squaring it. Not yes, it is directly squaring it. Squaring the number and adding the next number. Okay, we'll give you the answer. So what is 7 square? It is 49 plus 51. What is the addition of this? It is 100. So finally the answer is 100 here. Okay. The answer for this question is 100 now. So this is the second one. Let me change the color to red. Yeah. And next go to the third question where you are having 5, 6 and 12, 4, 3, 4 and 2, 3 space and 18, 27 and 96. Right? So when you see this, when you add both of them, you will be getting some 11, right? But here it is 12. So when you add both of them, you will be getting some 7. But here it is 4 itself. Then, okay. So up to these two questions, we have seen it horizontally, right? We have just evaluated horizontally. So for some questions, you need to evaluate like vertically also. You need to search this type also, okay? So if you do not have any answer this type, you need to search answers this type, means vertically. So here when you see this, you are having 5, 4, 2, 18, right? So here we are using this formula. So with this we are getting the answer, okay? So when you use this formula where A is 5 here and next B is 4, now after that you need to multiply it with C which is 2, then what is the answer you will be getting? It should be equal to 18. So 5 plus 4 will be 9 and when you multiply it by 2 you will be getting 18. So this is true. And next one, next row where 6 plus 3 into 3, what will give you this? 6 plus 3 is 9 and when you multiply it with 3 you are getting 27. It is also true, right? And the next one now we are having 6 plus, oh not 6, right? It is 12. 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4 into something, some x, consider it as x, equals to 96. So when you calculate this and find out x, you will be getting, what is 12 plus 4? 12 plus 4 is 16 into x will give you 96. And what is x? X is nothing but 96 divided by 16. The final answer, let me calculate it fast. 96 divided by 16 will give you 6. So finally the value of x is 6 here, right? So this is the final answer. Oh, okay. Yes. This is the final answer for this question. Okay. The value of this empty box is 6. Okay. So when you go to the next question, we are having another question now. So for this question, we are having again 4 rows and 4 columns now. So when you look at the question, you are having 1, 3, 5, 7, which are like which are odd numbers and prime, not prime, which are odd numbers, like consecutive odd numbers. And next, when you see vertically, we are having 1, 4, 7 and 10. So here you need to find out A and B. Here you need to find out both of the values, here A and here B. You need to find out both. So just look at the pattern followed here, right? Without any typing, let me just wait for a while. Here we are having 1 1 3 5 7, right? So when you see the difference between them, that means 1 plus 2 will give you 3, 3 plus 2 will give you 5, and 5 plus 2 will give you 7, right? That means adding 2, 1 plus 2, and let me write it. And in the same way, in the next line, by adding 4, see the difference is 4. 4 plus 4 will give you 8, 8 plus 4 will give you 12, and 12 plus 4 will give you 16, right? So let me write it again. Yes, in the previous one, in the previous line, we are having plus 2 means the difference is 2, and in the next line, the difference is 4. Like when you add 4 plus 4 will give you 8, 8 plus 4 will give you 12, plus 4 will give you 16. And in the next line, when you see 7, and here we are having A. So, and the difference here also plus 2 and plus 4. That means the difference is 2 here, right? 2 here, 2 here, like that. So when you see like that, here you need to add plus 6, because plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 means it is increasing by 2. So, and when you see here also 19 plus 6, 19 plus 6 will give you 25. Okay. So let me again write plus 6. So when you do like this plus 6, 7 plus 6 will give you 13. So 13 plus 6 will give you 19, right? 19 plus 6 will give you 25. Okay, find out. So the value of A is 6. Sorry, value of A is, it is not like, it's not correct. Value of A is 7 plus 6, which is 13. Okay, value of A is 13 here, and then yes, let's see the next line. 10, by seeing this, 2 2 plus 2 will give you 4, 4 plus 2 will give you 6, and 6 plus 2 will give you 8 here. And when you see like this also, 10 plus 8 will give you 18, so that it is the addition of 8 for every number will give you the next number. Okay, so 10 plus 8 will give you 18, and 18 plus 8 will give you uh, what it is, 18 plus 8, 8 plus 8 you will be getting 16, and you'll be getting 26 here, right? It is 26. Value of A is 13 and value of B is 26, right? So much easy. This question is so easy, so that we got the answers as 13 and 26 as the values of A and B. Okay, so this is the fourth question, and here it is asking what is A plus B. So when you see, when you add both of them, you are getting, when you add both of them, 6 plus 3 plus 8, 3 plus 6 will give you 9, and 1 plus 2 will give you 3. So the final answer is 39. Okay, so this is the fourth question, and let's go to the next question, which is 5. Question number 5. Here we are having again 5 3 7 and 2 4 1, and 1 5 and 5, 30 50, and you need to find out the next one. Okay, so how you need to find out? So when you add 5 plus 3, we are getting 8, not 7. and 2 plus 4 you are getting 6, not 1, and 1 plus 5 it is 6, not 5. Okay, so this is not true. So 5 into 2 will give you 10. 10 plus 1 will give you 11. No, no, this is also not true. So let's see another one. Like let's say 3 power 4. Okay, so this question is wrong because you do not have any particular solution for this. So I have searched many forms, but it is wrong. So if you don't know the pattern, means if you searched a lot and if you don't know the pattern, then just attempt the question. Then you will be getting the mark. Okay. So as you see, this question is wrong. So let's move on to the next one, which is question. Here, let's try some form like this is a missing number. We need to find out this. Okay. So let me try this. 5 into 6. What is 5 into 6? 5, 6 fives, we will be getting 30, right? And next, what is 4 into 3? You will be getting 12. So 30 plus 12, you'll be getting 42, which is not equals to 39. So this is wrong. And let's try this. 5 into 4, you will be getting 20. And 6 into 3, you will be getting 18. So 20 plus 18 will be like 38. So here the number is 39. But okay, by adding 1 you will be getting. So let's see like this. So 25 we are having and 4 to 8 we are having. So 25 plus 8 you are getting 33, but here it is 30 itself. So this is also not the correct form. So let me erase this all. Oh, previous one was erased. Okay, no problem. Let me cross it off. Yes. And let's see another one like 5 into 3 will give you 15 and 6 into 4 will give you 24. So 15 and 24, yes, it will give you 39. So 5 plus 4 will give you 9 and 1 plus 2 will give you 3, right? So 39. So this is the correct form. Okay. Oh, let me erase this. Yes. So let's work out this as well. This here also. Okay. Yes. Here also 5 into 2 we are having 10 and 5 into 4 we are having 20. 20 plus 10 will give you 30 itself. So this is true. So this is a correct pattern here in this question. So 8 6 you're getting 48, right? 8 6 48 and 5 fours you are getting 20. 5 fours 20. Yes. When you add both of them you are getting 68. So final answer is 68. So as this is a correct one. Okay, no problem. Let's put it like this only. If you want to take a screenshot, then you can take a screenshot now. Okay. Finally, I'll be showing every question. Then you can take a screenshot for everything. Okay. So let's go on to the next one, which is question number 7. So here you are having 14, 11, and 22. And in the next one, we are having 12, 10, and 20. And 20 A and B. You need to find out A and B, both of them. So let's see how we'll be doing this question. Okay. How we'll be answering. So when you add both of them, you are getting 40, sorry, 25. Okay. So when you add 14 plus 11, you are getting 25. Okay. Uh, but 25 minus 3, you're like, when you subtract, Oh, I just think like this. So when you subtract 1 from 4, you are getting 3, right? So when you add both of them, you are getting 25. 25 minus 3 is giving you 22. So let's see the same pattern here also. 12 plus 10 will give you 22. And when you subtract 2 and 1, the difference is 1 itself. So 22 minus 1 will give you 21 then. So this is not true, but so let's see now. Okay, so yes, let's see here. See here, while adding both of them, you are getting 25, and we are subtracting 3 to get 22. And here, by adding both of them, we are getting 22, and by subtracting 2, we are getting 20. See, here we are subtracting 3, here we are subtracting 2, and here we need to subtract 1. So, for that purpose, 20 plus A minus 1 will give you B. B will be equals to this. Okay, but how you need to see this? How you need to find out both of them with one equation? Okay, so now if like yeah, why we are subtracting 3 here means 14 minus 11 will give you 3, and here why we are subtracting 2 means 12 minus 10 will give you 2. So likewise 20 minus A should give you 1. So what is A now? Let me erase something here. See, let me erase this. Yes. So 20 minus A will be equals to 1, right? Erasing this. Okay. So now after this, then A will be 19, right? A will be 19. Finally, you got the value of A, which is 19. So that is easy to find out the value of B. So how you will be finding the value of B now? We are having 20 plus A. What is A now? It is 19, right? 20 plus 19. And what is the difference between them? It is 1. Minus 1 will give you B, right? So as 12 plus 10 will give you 22, minus 2 will give you this. So this will give you B. So 20 minus 1 will give you 19, 19. 19 plus 19, which will give you 38, right? So final answer is 38, which is B. This is B, right? This is question number 7, which is solved now. So B is 38 and A is 19. Let's go to the next one, which is the last question in today's class. So if you want some more questions on this, then you can directly comment down. I'll be posting some more questions on this. So find out the odd number here. Okay. Find out odd number. The numbers here are 123, 39, 12, 45, 26, 3 and 15. So what is the odd number here? So when you see all these, all are odd numbers. See, 123 is odd, 39 is odd, 12 is not odd. So let me remove this 12, right? And 45 is odd, 26 also is not odd number. And 3 and 15 are also odd numbers. So when you see another one, see this is divisible by 3. So this is not correct. So if let me erase this and let me check another one. 123 is divisible by 3. 39 is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible and 45 is divisible and this is not divisible by 3, and 3 is divisible and 15 is also divisible by 3. So the odd number here is 26. So finally the 26 is the answer for this particular question. So here in this topic we are just having 8 questions because these are somewhat time taking. So if you want some more questions then comment down below, I'll be uploading them soon. So when is your exam, so that also just comment down below so that I can give you some more videos on these topics. Okay, so if you want then you can take a screenshot. This is a first question. First and second both are here. I hope you took a screenshot. And third here, just take third one, I'll be showing fourth again. This is a third question. And yes, this is a fourth one. Yes, fifth one was a wrong answer. So wrong question itself. So this is a sixth one. And this is a seventh question. See, up to here itself. Seventh question. This is eighth question again. So this is the eighth one. So this is like divisible by 3. Let me write here. Ec divisible by 3. Let me change the color as everything is red here. Yes. Then you will be getting the answer. So this is all about today's class. Okay. If you have any doubts, then comment down below for any question. So for these 7 questions, if you have any doubt, then you can comment down. And in the description box, I have given the Telegram group link. So just join there. I am posting all the job updates now. So that you will be getting aware about off-campus hirings. And if you like this video, then do like, share, and share with your friends for whom it is useful, and subscribe to my channel Easy Engineering if you think this is useful, right? Useful and helping you. Okay. So thank you. That's all for today. Let's meet in the next class.